Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to make a great product even better, check out this Bluetooth remote system for a Festool dust collector. So this remote control set comes with several items. One is the Bluetooth module that you actually place into your Festool base unit. And it also comes with the button for the actual remote control. This is a really great product because when you are using a dust collector, you're probably on a job site or some other thing, and you may have a really long hose plus a really long cord, and to go back and forth to shut this off and on can be a real hassle. So having a remote control function that you can use on its own or along with your tools, even cordless tools, this will work with, then this makes it so much easier to be able to start and stop the machine without taking a long walk every time. So the install was easy. As you saw, we were able to get it done in just a few minutes, and the kit comes with these little straps to place the button on your hose, and they have a nice secure fit, easy to stay in place. And then once you pair the Bluetooth, you are good to go and you can start using it right away. So we were super happy with the ease of install and the fact that you are going to save yourself a lot of trips walking back and forth to this unit when you are using it. And it just works really, really well and does exactly what you want it to. So it is a real time saver. So this Bluetooth remote system is a great addition to our setup, and that's my point of view.